So this is a Craftsman convertible cordless 18 volts branch trimmers, and you can see I just removed it, and now here is the control button. Here is the connection to the batteries, and this is the 18 volts motor that drive these gears from the shaft, drive these gears, and then to here, and then this tied to this edge trimmer, so this is a battery operated. So now, and the battery went dead, so instead of buying the batteries, this is outdated, so I'm getting rid of everything except the batteries, and the gear. So gonna remove from here and here to disconnect the trimmer and get rid of the trimmer. Then throw those plastic pieces away, and so this is the 18 volts Craftsman battery operated trimmers. Okay, so this is a close-up look of the inside of the thing.